Hi, GCC students. Welcome to HES 100 for the fall 2021 semester. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I will be your instructor for the duration of the semester. I'm looking forward to working with all of you. HES 100 is a pretty fun course as we cover a lot of healthful living, health and wellness areas. So I think you'll really enjoy the course. I just want to go over a couple things really briefly with you. This is how Canvas will look when you enter into the course. Please note that you do need to pay attention to the announcements in the class. I will make announcements every couple of days in this course, so please make sure you're staying current with those. Okay. Next really important area is this inbox over here. Your first assignment is to send me a message through the Canvas inbox. I'm sure most of you are very comfortable in Canvas, but I just want to make sure that you understand how to contact me. I am available to meet online with you via Zoom or other online platforms if necessary, but our primary point of contact will be through the announcements in Canvas and then the inbox in Canvas as well. So please get comfortable with that. And then next big thing is going to be the Getting Started module. So you'll go over to your modules and you'll do the Getting Started or the Orientation module. There's a variety of things that are posted in here for you to work on over the course of this week. Okay. One is to send me that instructor message. You also have an orientation quiz, which is focused solely on the information in your syllabus. To get to your syllabus, you can click here on Course Syllabus, or you can use the primary navigation over here and click Syllabus. There is a PDF version of your syllabus that you'll be able to download. So please make sure you read through that before you take the orientation quiz. Okay. A couple of key things on your syllabus that you want to make sure to pay attention to. There is no textbook for this course that you have to buy. Everything is open educational resources which are posted online for you in each week's module. So there is no need for you to purchase a textbook for this course. Another big thing is, since this is an online course, you do need to stay active every week. We have a variety of due dates throughout this course. Some weeks we'll have a Monday. Mondays, the modules will always open. But some weeks we will have a Wednesday due date for some assignments, a Friday due date, sometimes a Sunday due date. So several times throughout the week you will be turning in assignments. I cannot keep you active in this class if you miss a week of assignments, so please stay up to date. Also, I don't accept any late work in the course, so please make sure that you're staying on track with the course. That's super important. It's going to be super important for you just to make sure that you're staying on track with the course, because it is an online course, so we do move fairly quickly. Okay. After you finish the orientation module, the next module, week 1, will open. You do have several things to complete in here, several kind of assignments for this week, which are going to be focused on lifespan, introducing yourself to the class, evaluating an online article to make sure that you understand what's reliable and what's maybe not. So a bunch of things on that week 1 module for you as well. Some weeks we will just have one module, some weeks we will have 2. As you can see, next week we will have a sleep module and also physical activity and fitness. So please just make sure you're checking into Canvas on Monday to get going with the course. And Monday of each week, the module will open, so you'll be able to get started and get to work. So I look forward to working with all of you this semester. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to me. I am very quick usually to respond to any message sent through the inbox. Generally, I will respond within a couple of hours. If you don't hear from me within 24 hours, please resend that message because I must not have gotten it or thought I responded and didn't. So please, 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 if you don't hear from me within 24 hours, resend that message. I look forward to working with all of you this semester, and yeah, cheers to a great semester.